Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ewa Agoyin beans and sauce. First, let's prepare the beans. Begin by soaking 2 cups of dried brown or black-eyed beans overnight. This significantly reduces cooking time and ensures a creamy texture. After soaking, drain and rinse them well. Then, boil the beans in ample water until they are incredibly soft, almost mushy. Finally, mash them roughly with a potato masher or a wooden spoon, leaving some texture for an authentic feel. Now, let's create the rich base for our Agoyin sauce. Heat about 1 cup of palm oil in a pot until it's very hot and just begins to smoke. This step is crucial for achieving the authentic flavor. Carefully pour out approximately 1/4 of this hot oil into a separate bowl. We will use it later. Then, add 2 large sliced onions to the remaining hot oil and fry them slowly until they are deeply caramelized and fragrant, which develops that signature smoky taste. Next, we'll build the vibrant flavor of the sauce. Prepare a pepper paste by blending a combination of red bell peppers, Scotch bonnets for heat, and a small onion until smooth. Add this pepper paste to your caramelized onions in the pot. Fry this mixture thoroughly, stirring often, until the sauce darkens considerably and the oil begins to separate from the pepper mixture. Season with salt and a tiny pinch of sugar to enhance the overall taste. For the final touches, remember that reserved hot palm oil. Pour it back into your rich, dark sauce now. Stir everything together thoroughly. This step gives the sauce its characteristic glossy sheen and deepens the flavor profile. Serve your warm, mashed Ewa Agoyin beans with generous spoonfuls of this incredible sauce. For an even more satisfying meal, consider garnishing with some fried plantains or a few boiled eggs. Enjoy this delicious, authentic dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.